Good day, fellow Rotaractors. I am District Rotaract Representative nominee Diana Isabel de Suyo, a past president of the Rotary Club of San Francisco del Monte Malaya Achievers from Rotary International District 3780. Today, we'll be having the last session of the Pilipinas Rotaract Online University, which focuses on the topic Rotary Online Tools. To give you an overview, I will be discussing the following: how to create a My Rotary account, how to update my Rotary profile, how to update Rotary Club information, how to add a project to Rotary Showcase, how to access the Rotary Learning Center, how to access and contribute to the Rotary Voices, how to donate online to end polio, how to access Club Finder, and how to access the Rotary Brand Center. Let us explore the different tools that we can utilize. First, let us define what a My Rotary account is. It is a personal profile that is made within the Rotary.org. Through this account, one will be able to utilize the different tools and services within the website. So how do we make a My Rotary account? This can be done in 9 simple steps. First, go to www.rotary.org, then click on My Rotary. You will then see two options: sign in to My Rotary and register for an account. Choose the latter. Upon seeing the next screen, choose Create Account. Fill in the fields with your first name, last name, and sign-in email. Then click Continue. A message will pop informing you that you will receive an email with a link to activate your account. You can now check your email. Open the message that has been sent to you and click on the link provided to finalize the process. You will then be required to create a password and to choose a security question and provide the answer to it. Finally, click on Continue. There you go, you now have a My Rotary account. How to update My Rotary profile. Once you have your own profile, you may now sign in and proceed to updating its contents, such as profile photo, contact information, and professional background if already working. Just click Profile that can be found at the upper right side of the website header. Let us focus on two sections that can be found in the profile page. First is Programs. This section shows your participation in different Rotary programs, which include Rotary Youth Leadership Awards, Group Study Exchange, Interact, and Rotaract, among others. Once you select a certain program, you will also be asked to put details like when and what under what club or district you participated in. Next is the Skills and Interests section. For the past few years, this has been a part of the criteria of the Rotaract Presidential Citation. You might be surprised how easy it is to comply with this requirement. You just have to select an area of expertise from the drop-down menu and categorize it into levels of expertise. It may be a personal interest, a professional experience, or a volunteer experience. Have at least 50% of your club members add skills and interests to their profile, and then voila, you are one step closer to achieving the Rotaract Presidential Citation. How to update Rotaract Club information. When you need to know the status of each Rotary Club in your district, it's easy to get all of that information in one place: the listing of club-sponsored organizations. District Rotaract representatives who have been added to Rotary's database can get this report from Rotary.org. It can be found in the District Administration section under the Manage tab. Now, how do we update Rotary Club information? Updating data for an active club or reactivating a suspended one. Rotary Club residents need to update club and member information by June 30 of every year. Clubs that don't submit this information to Rotary over a 2-year period will be terminated. Making updates through My Rotary. Rotary Club residents, their advisors, and the sponsor Rotary Club officers can update this information through their My Rotary accounts. After signing to My Rotary, Just go to the Member Center tab, find Resources and Reference, and then select Club and District Administration. Under Club Administration, choose Manage My Club. Go to the Rotaract section where you'll see links to add, edit, or remove Rotaract Club member, to add, edit, or remove Rotaract Club officers, and to update data. But please do note that the steps mentioned will not change the status of a terminated club or one that is not in Rotary's records at all. I will thus discuss that in a short while. Just some information that might be useful. A person must be listed in Rotary's database as a Rotary Club member before you can designate them as a Rotary Club president. Rotary Club members can report their membership by creating a My Rotary account. The Rotary Club president, advisor, and sponsor Rotary Club officers can then add the registered Rotaractors to the Rotary Club. And when you update a club's meeting address, this allows your club's location to be included in Club Finder, which I will further discuss later. Certifying unlisted clubs or clubs listed as terminated. These clubs need to be certified by Rotary. First, the Rotary Club certification form shall be accomplished. A fee of $50 shall then be paid by the sponsor Rotary clubs, after which the completed form shall be submitted to rotaract@rotary.org or the Region's International Office. Terminating inactive clubs listed as active or suspended. Although it's a sad thing to do, requesting for termination of an inactive club listed as active or suspended can actually be done by sending an official email. Copy furnish the Rotary Club President, Rotary Advisor, the sponsor Rotary Club President, and District Rotaract leaders. In changing the sponsorship of a Rotary Club, the change of sponsorship form shall be completed and submitted to rotaract@rotary.org or the Region's International Office. Before discussing how to add a project, let's first learn what Rotary Showcase is. It is a platform embedded within the rotary.org website, where Rotary and Rotary clubs can share their projects. This database can also be browsed by fellow Rotaractors and Rotarians, enabling you to showcase what your club has accomplished and its impact to the communities you served. To add a project, just sign in to My Rotary. Under Take Action, select Rotary Showcase. On top of the right side, click Add a New Project. You will be asked to enter information about your project, such as the title, an overview, a project description, location where it was held, and the project timeline. One primary area of focus shall be selected, but you may choose one or more categories. There's also space for Rotary, Rotaract, and Rotary Community Core partners. There can be more than one project contact persons and may also include partners. A maximum of 10 photos and links to YouTube videos can be uploaded to the showcase. Lastly, there is the engagement tracker where volunteer hours, number of volunteers, cash contributions, and in-kind donations can be logged. In general, aside from being able to showcase your club projects, this platform allows the measurement of Rotary's global engagement. What is the Learning Center? Whether you are a club or a district leader, a member looking for more, or new to Rotary and Rotaract, there's something here for you. The new Learning Center is a great place to find training resources. Use these courses for preparing yourself ahead of the upcoming new Rotary year, grow your knowledge and skills, and be a better Rotary and Rotaract leader. How can it be accessed? Once you are signed in to your account, the Learning Center link can be found under Learning and Reference tab. Learners can access the platform anytime and learn at their own pace. There are courses that can be finished in 5 minutes, while some can be finished in 1 hour. This is the dashboard where you can view all the courses and learning plans that you have taken. There is also an extra feature of gathering badges while learning. Visit the new Learning Center for all your learning needs. How to access and contribute to the Rotary Voices blog. Each of us has a story to tell. The Rotary Voices blog was created to give us a place where we can share these stories of ours. And by doing so, it helps us increase the public's understanding of what we stand for and the impact we make. To quote, this blog features stories by and about Rotary members, Rotary program alumni, and the people we partner and work with. From the fight to eradicate polio to efforts to provide clean drinking water, Rotary members are taking action to do good in the world, one service project at a time. There are certain requirements to meet. First, keep it short. Posts should be 300 to 700 words and be about one topic or idea. Second, posts should be written for a wide audience and avoid jargon or technical language. Write like you speak using conversational language to explain things clearly and include specific examples to illustrate a point. Write in the first person I voice and include personal observations and impressions. The best posts tell a story that will inspire other people to want to know more about Rotary. Fourth, write for an online audience. Online attention spans are short and readers scan a page more than they read word by word. Keeping that in mind, employ scannable tactics such as short paragraphs and sentences, highlighted keywords, subheadings, and bulleted lists. Fifth, be direct. Most blog readers decide if an entry is worth reading in just a few seconds. State your main point in the beginning of your post and include supporting information in subsequent paragraphs. Sixth, include links to other sites, blogs, and partner organizations. Encourage reader interaction by providing a clear call to action, such as asking readers to post their thoughts in the comments section or to share the piece on social media within their networks. Posts from any member, program alumni, or anyone who took part in a service project are welcome. Tell your story. Email that Word document to blog@rotary.org. Don't forget to add action photos with at least 960 by 440 pixels and captions. Attach them separately and make sure to sign the artist release form provided. How to donate online to end polio. Just a brief background there. Rotary has been working to eradicate polio for more than 30 years now. The organization has helped immunize more than 2.5 billion children in 122 countries and has contributed more than 1.8 billion US dollars toward eradicating the disease worldwide. And now, we also have the power to help end polio. When signed in to your My Rotary account, you can click the Donate button at the upper right corner. You will be redirected to this page. Choose Polio Fund, and then choose Philippines from the drop-down menu. The currency for the donation will automatically be in US dollars. Select a donation type, either one-time or recurring, then choose or type in the amount. You will then have to enter your first name, family name, phone number, and email address. This is where you type in your credit card details, the number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Lastly, you have to type in your complete address together with the postal code. After hitting the submit button, your donation will immediately be processed. Together we end polio. Earlier in our discussion, I mentioned about the Club Finder. How can it be used? Once signed in to your My Rotary account, you will see the Club Finder link just beside the search bar. Just click that one. I will give you two scenarios where Club Finder will come in handy. Scene number 1. You would like to join a Rotary club based in your community in Zamboanga. You've heard that a club handles their meeting in a restaurant along Vitaliano Agan Avenue. That's so near to your home, but you don't know yet the name of the club, any of its members, or when do they conduct their meetings. Using the club finder, you enter Vitaliano Agan Avenue, Zamboanga City. Then, since you are sure that the club handles their meetings in the area, you can just enter 1 kilometer for the distance filter. Then choose the option Any for both meeting day and time, and select Rotary Club under the Type of Club drop-down filter. There you go. The search gives you the Rotary Club of Zamboanga City West, along with some details and link to their webpage. You can now use this information to reach out to them. Scene number 2. You are a foreigner flying into Cebu City next week for work, and will be staying there for 3 days, Thursday to Saturday. And you thought that it would be nice to join a Rotary Club meeting in the area or nearby. Using the club finder, you type in Cebu Business Park, Cebu City. Since you'd be willing to roam around a bit to meet Rotaractors, you put in 5 kilometer distance filter. A date range cannot be set for the meeting day and time, so you just choose the option Any, and select Rotary Club 2. Your search yields you results, with the Rotary Club of Cebu South on top of the list. Unfortunately, their club meetings are on Mondays. It doesn't fit your schedule, so you scroll down to check the other clubs. Next is the Rotary Club of Cebu Fuente, which meets on Fridays at the Coffee Bean Stand along General Maximum Avenue. There is also a link to their webpage. You can use this to start communicating with them. I have given you 2 scenarios where the club finder in rotary.org may come in useful. And there are a bunch of other scenarios where utilizing this tool is handy. With this, you also have to make sure that your club information is updated. Our last topic for the day, how to access the Rotary Brand Center. This tool was already mentioned during the session on Rotary Brand and Public Image by PDRR Mark Hernandez, so we will just breeze through it. Once signed in to your My Rotary account, just click the Brand Center under the Manage tab. That will redirect you to this web page. Let's go explore a bit on what this tool contains. Materials for Rotary's public image campaign, People of Action. Next, we also have here a collection of guidelines to tell Rotary stories in a consistent and engaging way. Of course, we also have here a link to logos. When you click this, you will be able to see Rotary logos, program and theme logos, as well as customizable templates, say if you would like to generate your club logo. Then, a collection of materials that you can customize to promote your club and project is present. Beside it is a set of advertisement materials to promote Rotary in your community, and a collection of select images and videos that capture Rotary's presence. These materials can all be utilized conveniently by you. Just head on to the Rotary Brand Center anytime. To conclude this session, various online tools are made available to help us in different aspects of running our clubs and districts. It is imperative that we learn how to use these platforms and be able to utilize them. It's a wrap. That ends our session. Once again, this is DRRN Diana Isabel de Suyo. If you have any query, you may reach me through my email address, dianadesuyo@gmail.com. Thank you for joining us in this series of learning sessions, collectively known as the Pilipinas Rotaract Online University.